Hello and welcome to the Everyday PM Explainer series, where today I'm talking about the critical path. Now, if you've worked on projects, you've probably heard the project manager or others refer to the critical path without probably necessarily explaining what that is. So we're going to look at that today. Put simply, the critical path is just the longest sequence of tasks in a project. By being the longest sequence of tasks, they will define the overall project length. So a critical path task is any task which, if that task were to extend, the entire project timeline extends. As you can imagine, on any project, you've got a whole number of tasks that need to be completed. And some of those can move about a bit or delay without having an effect on the overall timeline. But some tasks, and these are your critical path tasks, will have an effect. If they move, if they delay, they will affect the overall timeline. So to use an example, if you're decorating a room, painting the walls we might have that on your plan as taking 5 days, but painting the skirting boards may perhaps take 2 days. So the skirting boards might move and it might delay a bit, but so long as it's within that 5-day window that you're painting the walls, that's fine, it can move. But if the painting the walls job takes longer, well then you can't start on putting the carpet in. So that delays the overall project. Now it's worth noting that certain tasks might not be on the critical path at the start of the project, but might move on to it. The critical path changes throughout the project because the tasks might deliver, they might shift, they might change about, and that will affect the overall timeline. So that skirting task, if it went too long, if you delayed it past the point where the walls had finished, well now it's delaying the outcome of the project because you can't put the carpets in until that's now done. So the critical path may change over the course of the project. The final point to note is that sometimes people refer to critical path tasks, oh, that task is on my critical path, can you please make sure it's completed? When all they mean is actually it's critical to them. It doesn't actually affect the overall timeline of the project. So just watch out for that. Sometimes people use that as a bit of a weasel word to get things done. So I hope you find that a useful explanation of what the critical path is. Please don't forget to go to YouTube and to everydaypm.co.uk for more explainers, tips and tricks. And I look forward to seeing you next time.